Struggling to reach those tight spaces or grip small objects securely? Here are the 5 best needle nose pliers I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, the Shyneck Jewelry Plier Set. The Shyneck Jewelry Plier Set, priced at just $8.99, what caught my eye was the fact that it includes not just needle nose pliers, but also round nose pliers and wire cutters. If you want a complete set for jewelry making and DIY crafts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The needle nose pliers feature long, tapering jaws that can reach into those tight spots that most other pliers can't. With a smooth, polished surface and non-slip handles, you can grip, bend, and shape wire without worrying about scratches or marks on your jewelry. The set, which has been bought over 4,000 times in the last month, indicates it's a go-to for many DIY enthusiasts. Now, some people complained about the quality feeling a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, if you're a casual crafter or just starting out in jewelry making, this set offers great value without breaking the bank. If you're a professional jeweler, it might not hold up as well under heavy usage. This is perfect for you if you're a jewelry maker or a hobbyist looking for a budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty tools for extensive use. For under $9, you really can't go wrong here. Now, if the Shyneck set's potential quality concerns bothered you, the next one brings a more robust design to the table. Product number 2, Zuzwan Long Needle Nose Pliers. The Zuzwan Long Needle Nose Pliers set, which comes in at $9.99. I was drawn to its ergonomic design and the inclusion of both 6-inch and 8-inch options. If you're looking for something that feels more professional, this is worth considering. These pliers are made from high carbon steel, giving them a strong cutting force with a hardness rating of HRC 60 to 62 on the cutting edge. This means you can easily handle single strands of wire without any hassle. The non-slip TPR grip is super comfortable and helps to prevent hand fatigue, making them ideal for longer projects. Plus, they've been bought over 3,000 times recently, so there's clearly a demand for them. Now, some users noted that the springs on the 6-inch pliers can feel a bit stiff. I get it, a stiff spring can be annoying if you're using them frequently. But if you're doing precision work, that stiffness actually helps give you more control. This is perfect for you if you want something reliable for various tasks like crafting, fishing, or home repair. Skip these if you're looking for something more lightweight for tiny, intricate projects. For under $10, you get a solid dual-sized option. Alright, that was a strong option, but the next one on my list might actually be better suited for those who need a heavy-duty approach.
Product number 3, Work Pro Premium 8-inch Needle Nose Pliers. Coming in at number 3, we have the Work Pro Premium 8-inch Needle Nose Pliers. While I couldn't find a price listed, this brand is known for quality, so I expect it to be a solid investment. What impressed me was the heavy-duty construction and ergonomic grip. These pliers are crafted from chromium vanadium steel, promising durability and resistance to rust. They've passed a rigorous A4 clamping standard test, so you know they can handle tough jobs. The soft TPR handle is designed to minimize hand fatigue, which is a big plus for anyone spending hours working on projects. Not to mention, they're a favorite among professionals, with over 3,000 sales in just the last month. Now, some reviews mentioned that they felt a bit heavier compared to lighter options. Here's the deal. Yes, they are heavier, but that weight translates to durability and better handling for tougher tasks. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable tool for both professional and amateur use. Skip this if you need something more lightweight for delicate work. For what you get, it's a good investment. Next up, if you need something even more specific for intricate tasks, the next product might be just what you're looking for.
Product number 4, the Dike Tie Extra Long Needle Nose Pliers, priced at $5.99. Honestly, I was surprised at how affordable these are considering their length and usability. If you need something for tight spaces, this one should definitely catch your eye. These 6-inch pliers feature long tempered jaws that make them perfect for bending wire or gripping small objects in hard-to-reach areas. The plastic-dipped handles offer added comfort, and the leaf spring-loaded design means less fatigue during use. With over 2,000 sales in the past month, they're clearly popular among hobbyists and professionals alike. Now, some users did complain about the overall sturdiness feeling lacking. Here's the thing though, for light-duty tasks and hobby projects, they perform just fine. If you're expecting to use them for heavy-duty tasks every day, you might want to consider something more robust. This is perfect for you if you're crafting, especially in jewelry or electronics. Skip this if you're expecting a heavy-duty tool for daily professional use. At this price point, you really can't complain about what you get. Finally, if you're looking for versatility in a plier set, the last product might just fit the bill perfectly.
Product number 5, Amazon Basics Extra Long Reach Needle Nose Pliers Tool Set for $14.38. The variety caught my attention as it includes 90-degree, 45-degree, and straight options. If you're tackling different projects and need versatility, this set is worth your time. These pliers are designed to easily reach into narrow spaces, perfect for gripping small pieces and bending items precisely. With a durable construction using high-quality alloy steel, they promise reliability for your DIY or professional projects. The plastic-dipped handles are ergonomic too, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. This set has also sold over 2,000 times recently, proving its popularity. However, a few users noted that the handles might feel a bit slippery when wet. Here's my take. If you're working in a dry environment, this isn't a deal breaker, but you might want to be cautious if you're in a workshop that gets messy. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile tool set for home or professional use. Skip it if you need something with a more secure grip for wet or oily tasks. For 3 pliers in one set at this price, it's a solid pick.
We've checked out the Shineck Jewelry Plier Set, Zuzuan Long Needle Nose Pliers, Work Pro Premium Pliers, Dike Tie Extra Long Pliers, and the Amazon Basics tool set. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Work Pro Premium 8-inch needle nose pliers because of their durability and comfort for professional use. Avoid the Shineck set if you need something that can handle heavy-duty tasks consistently.